Hi, I'm Rohan Nag and this is the first episode of Ripoffs and Remakes versus Originals. Today our list starts with a movie which is quite recent actually. It just come out this Friday and it's called Kick.
आप डेविल के पीछे, डेविल आपके पीछे. Too much fun.
It's a remake from a Tamil movie and a Telugu movie. All three have the same story. So let's go blow by blow. What was wrong with the Tamil version? Obviously it was a hit. The story and the concept was good. The Tamil version suffered from basically low production values. If you see that movie, and the movie is named very weirdly, it's not called Kick. It's called Kick in Telugu. And in Telugu version and Tamil version, the movies are really cheap. What has Salman Khan done special on this? He has basically raised the production value. Sajid Nadiadwala has put in, I think, all his life savings from all the other Salman movies that he has done into this film, because he's the director here. So the Tamil Kick had the problem of production value, as I said. This one, on the other hand, suffers none of those issues. It has really good chase sequences which are really badly edited, but that is not the production's problem. It's been shot well, the explosions are good, and the heists are not childish. They're over the top, but they're not childish. In the Telugu version and the Tamil version, both which I've seen, the heists are so childish that he's actually locking someone up with a grill door, going he and then running away, which we used to do in 5th standard. This, on the other hand, he has a motorcycle jumping from a building right into a helicopter. I don't know how that works. Imagine the physics. But then that's over the top. That's not cheap, which I appreciate. Coming down to the performances. In the Telugu version, we had Ravi Teja, who I personally cannot stand. That guy is neither funny nor is he action oriented. I don't know what he is. Fans of his will disagree with me, but I don't really care. Coming down to Salman version, as I said before, he has actually put in some amount of effort, which is surprising coming from a Salman movie. The last time he put in effort was probably in Hum Dil Se Chuke Sanam. Here you can see his actions, you can see whether he is being naughty, nice, he's taking an effort, he's being funny, he's looking younger, all good points. Performances wise, Saurabh Shukla is very good in the movie. He is actually funny. Other than the other characters, they are not very funny, but he is. Now coming down to the story part. What is the story about? Well, it's about this guy in all three versions. He cannot do anything other than getting an adrenaline kick out of things. Okay, that makes sort of sense. There are adrenaline junkies doing biking, stuff like that. So we all get our kicks from different things. Only problem is this guy wants his kick constantly happening. Constantly, as in all the time. Everything he does has to have a kick. Constant, multiple kicks. That's fine. But that makes him very irreliable. So that's his problem. Still he gets a woman, he can't keep her, so he does something else. It's an interesting story. So basically everything that happens in the second half is his character trying to fool everyone around him, which is interesting. Well, since this is not a film review as such of Kick, we'll not be going with a rating, but if I were to rate it, I would rate it somewhere between a 5 and a 6, which is better than what I would give a Dabangg 2, which would be a 3, a Dabangg which would be around 6, so somewhere over there. Enjoyable. You can watch it. As far as the comparison goes, is it better to watch the Tamil version or the Hindi version? Definitely the Hindi version, because the Tamil version is so cheap you'll end up laughing at it. And you wish that you had spent the time watching the Hindi version, which has the same story. So, there we go. First episode of Ripoffs and Remakes versus Originals. I'm Rohan Nag and this is Film Pickle.